Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Sherak, and on this video I'm going to walk you step by step on how to own a VTU automated website on DataMobile Nigeria and make a lot of money in the process. Okay, I've been talking about DataMobile Nigeria for a long time on this channel. Of course, we have talked about how to open an account, how to upgrade, how to looking at the various membership levels, and also the competencies and what you can do on DataMobile Nigeria. But right now, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to order for a VTU website that will make you a lot of money in Nigeria using DataMobile Nigeria. If you look at that, if you log in into the app, you can see that the stem says own an automated reseller VTU portal, selling data, airtime, and bill payment, making over 500k per month. You can see that with the help of DataMobile Nigeria, you can make up to 500,000 every month by just having a VTU website. So we're going to look at that very brief. So if you like the content we share on the channel, please do well to subscribe and like and share this video. Now you may ask yourself, Shedrack, why do I own a VTU website? The answer is very simple. VTU website is one of the most top-rated business as far as internet business is concerned. So if you own a VTU website, it do you a favor because you are there to make a lot of money in the process, both through rendering the services, selling airtime, data, subscription, electricity, and also helping others get their own website in the process. Now, one of the things that I should let you know is this: airtime, data, airtime subscription, bill payments, electricities are everyday product you and I uses. As a matter of fact, because you are watching this is because you subscribe for data. So the business has already defined itself in the process. So how do you get started to own a VTU website with DataMobile Nigeria? The answer is very simple. All you have to do is to click on this. You can see that own a reseller website and retail our services such as data and airtime. Just click on this, click here. Once you click here, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video for you to also check it out. So from there, you're able to see all the plans and packages that the system have for you. Now, I want you to pay attention specifically on the description of the packages. So let me quickly rush into it because I don't want to make this video to be very lengthy. You can read more about it, everything about the packages once you are on this page. But if you go down here, you're able to see several plans and packages. So what I want to do right now is to give you an overview package list and give you kind of what I think you can be able to get started right away. So let me scroll down. I'm going to scroll down to the sections where the plans and prices are so that I can easily show you what the plans and packages is all about. So you can read through to understand a little bit of how the VTU system work as regard to what I'm just trying to tell you to go in for. These are all the informations you need. But if you come here, you'll be able to see that there is various VTU packages that is here which you can get started right away. So let me just, you can see plans and prices. The first one here is test pack. Okay, test package. This one is not like, you're not going to have an advanced VTU website. You're going to have a kind of a little VTU website that says airtime and data. So rest be assured that it is going to be a very good VTU website. But if you think you are interested in this first package, which is 15,500, you can contact admin for us to show you a demonstration before you make your payment. But these are the features. You're going to have something like airtime and data subscriptions sales. That's the only two products on this package. And then the SME plans is going to be from 210 to 220 because the SME data plan is always not consistent. So make sure you chat up an admin for us to tell you the current sales rate on this product. So basic user referral system come with .com.ng domain. That's on this. It has so many limited administrative rights. Okay, ready in 12 hours after domain and hosting propagation. So once you are bought in this package, you are able to get it at approximately 12 hours after domain and hosting propagation. So the basic pack is what I think you should go for. This one is 45,000 and it will help you to own an automated airtime and data VTU portal. And also you can sell all network. You can also do cable subscriptions, airtime, recharge, data subscriptions, cable, and there is also a membership system on the plan, but it has one API switch system at a time, sells electricity bill payment. You can also sell educational e-pins. It has one free year, 1 year SSD hosting space. So what we are saying that you should go for the 45k package because it has a lot of features that you actually need. But if you want to kind of say, okay, you want to go for this, you just simply log into the app and see how the interface looks like. So exactly you're going to get what we have on instant in DataMobile. But then remember, there's some certain things that features the what's called feature privileges that is obtainable only on the last package. But you are going to get everything, basic things you need to run a VT website in Nigeria on this 45,000 naira package. So you can go for this, or you can also go for the reseller package, which is 85,000. The difference between it and the first one is this: the reseller package will also come with multiple API switch. So you can see the differences. So this multiple API switch is what really have the ability for you to switch to different API at a time on this package. And it also has a premium landing page and then advanced custom reseller sales page integration. So that is just what differentiates it. Then the last one, also this one, let me also emphasize, you're going to have access to cPanel, this particular package, which is this one of 85,000. You're going to have access to the cPanel. So take note of that. So the last package is the business package. This one is 320k. So you can see the features and descriptions of this. You're going to have several things that is attached to this, like cPanel. Then Android app is you're going to have Android app on this, and it's going to be uploaded on Google Play Store. Access to cPanel. Then can have a unlimited sub resellers connected directly to your VTU portal. So okay, and then custom name server of your own, come with a self funnel and email sequence automations. So this thing comes with a email marketing solution. So it is quite different from all the other package that I've explained previously. So if you want to log in and check the app, you can log in and check it. And then once you are ready to get started right away by contacting admin. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video for you to contact admin, and then let's get your VTU website started right away. All you have to do is to log into the app, look at the interface, check everything about the app, know that this thing is for you. You can see everything in the app, everything is here. So once you say, I'm confident on this, then you simply DM admin to get started. Make sure that you use the link in the description of this video to check it out, and then thank me later. I'm my host, Mr. Sherak. Subscribe and like and share this video. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks and God bless.